Hi, Mrs. Hensley's friends. I hope you're having a fabulous Friday. I will need you to get your gingerbread 2 dice roll and color out, your paper. I will need you to get 2 dice from your fish folder or the bag that I gave you with all of the stuff in it at the beginning of the year, a pencil, and crayons. Okay, your pencil is going to use to write your name at the top. So let Mrs. Hensley do that very neatly. Okay, so I wrote my name at the top. Okay, you are going to use your 2 dice. Let's see if I can show you right here. Here we go, Mrs. Hensley's friends. Okay, I'm going to show you mine upside down. Okay. Okay, you are going to roll your 2 dice. Okay. Oh, I got 2 5s. And this is kind of like an addition problem, okay? So let's count them. 5 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm going to see if I have a 10 on here. And oop, I sure do. So I am going to get, that's part of the gingerbread man. So I'm going to color, I'm going to trace first. I'm going to color that part right there of my gingerbread man. He is brown. Most gingerbread men are brown, okay, except for their icing. Okay, so I colored that part. It's time to roll my dice again. Well, let's count. 5 plus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Do I see a 9 anywhere? Right here, I see a 9. So Mrs. Hensley is going to trace and color. I'm not leaving any white because I want my gingerbread man to look nice, okay? Roll again. Oh, 6 plus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 right here. So I'm going to color the other foot of my gingerbread man, tracing first. Okay, color it in. Okay, try not to leave any white. Okay, roll again. Oh, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do I see an 8? Ooh, right here. So Mrs. Hensley, ooh, that's the whole body here. Okay, so I'm going to color the whole body. Actually, I don't know if I'm going to spend my time coloring the whole, well, maybe I will. That's a lot, isn't it, to color? Big chunk of my gingerbread man, isn't it? Mrs. Hensley's not going to do it all that great. You're going to do better than I am. I'm just trying to get it done so you can see how to finish this, okay? This is not how Mrs. Hensley were coloring if I had more time, okay? Okay, let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do you see a 5? Oh, right here, and that's a bow, so I get to color the bow whatever color I want. And guess what? I'm going to use my absolute favorite color, red. Okay, red. Remember, I'm not using my best coloring. I'm just trying to get to something to show you, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Oh, I've already colored my number 8, haven't I? So I get a crayon and I color one of these circles. Okay. Color one of the circles. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, 8 again. Have to color in another circle. You guys are going to color much neater than Mrs. Hensley, and she's in a hurry, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right here is 7. Oh, I see another part. Oh, that's 7 too, but I have to wait and roll the dice again. Here's a 7 here too. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, here's a 4 right here. Remember, I'm not doing my best coloring. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Oh, here's my 3. Okay. Roll my dice again. I have 6 plus 4 is 10. So I've already colored my 10. I'm going to color in right here. Okay. I'm going to roll again. 6, 7. Oh, here's 7. So I've got to have my brown crayon again. Right here. Okay, 2 more. 1, 2. I don't see a 2. So I get to color in a circle. Okay. 6, 7, 8. No 8. So I color in the last circle. And I roll one more time. 4, 5, 6. Oh, there's my 6. Okay, 3, 4, 5, 5. Okay, Mrs. Hensley is done because I don't have any more red circles to color in and I don't have a 5. But this is what you can do. When you're all finished with this page, you can't color in the numbers that you did not get. I did not get 12, and that's the only one. These icings, you may get a crayon and color whatever color you want on the icing, okay? Color whatever color you want on the icing. I cannot color this 12 over here because I did not I did not roll a 12, okay? It's a high number, isn't it, to 12? I can't roll to 12. I have to roll to 12. I have to roll to 12. I can't roll to 10. Okay, so I have all the ones that have numbers on them. Now I would like for you to go in and color the rest. Like finish coloring this and this, and then you can color that, and you can color the top of the hat. Oh, actually, that's his head, not a hat, Mrs. Hensley, silly. So you would need to color that because it doesn't have a number in it, okay? So you would need to color that in the icing, okay? So Mrs. Hensley is all finished. I'm going to hit the, I'm going to take a photo. I'm going to hit the green add response button, take a picture, put it in the template Mrs. Hindley has provided, and then hit the green check mark to be submitting your work. Okay, I hope you guys have a fabulous rest of your Friday, and I will talk to you soon. Bye, friends.